Hey, hello. I'm making this video for you because if you are one of those abusive women, one of those women who are being abused, manipulated by their partners, I want to help you. Don't cry alone because now there's so much domestic violence everywhere, and some of my clients are saying that their partners call them names, they punch them, they're beaten up. And they say, it's okay, it's my partner, I love him, although I don't deserve this, I don't know what else to do. They're crying alone. If you are one of those, hey, you are not alone, come, I want to help you, reach out, please. Send me a message, send me book an appointment in my website. I'm gonna put the link there, but reach out, don't stay alone, and don't put your head down. Don't let others to stop your spark shining. Don't hide yourself. Don't cross your arms. Just take action. You don't deserve that treatment. You wouldn't do that to someone else, would you? So don't allow anybody to beat you, to call you names, to abuse you, to manipulate you. Are you doubting yourself? Is it me? Is it he? I'm not sure. I don't want to judge him. I'm not very sure. Maybe I'm making up movies in my mind. I'm seeing things that are not actually real. Is your husband accusing you of the behavior that he is displaying? Is he blaming you of everything that he does? Does he make your achievements his achievements? Is he always the best? His needs are the most important ones. He looks very intelligent, very calming, very charming, very confident. But then in private, he's very cold and manipulative. He has no empathy. He has no compassion. And he's always blaming and you don't deserve this. Reach out, please. You're not alone. And if you think that you are the only one, you're going to be surprised because it happens to many women. And because we often have the belief that we are not good enough, or because we often give too much love and support to others, we forget about ourselves. But what's going to happen when your children come and tell you, Mommy, I am being bullied at school and I don't want to go anymore? How are you gonna feel? Where is this child learning this behavior, this behavior of allowing others to bully them? Step up, take action, and become an amazing model for your children. And don't be ashamed. Don't blame yourself. First of all, right now, start forgiving yourself because nothing happens, by accident. There are some lessons that we need to learn. It's easy to blame our partners, it's true, but that's the illusion of life. What about ourselves? Why in the first place we chose that guy? Why? Why did we choose that guy who is so abusive, so manipulative? You're not alone. That happens to so many women. We need to learn lessons, but you can learn them with someone like me or anyone. But don't reach friends. They don't know. Reach a professional. Stop crying, and stop hiding. Take action. You deserve it. Your inner self is waiting for you to meet her, to become stronger, wiser than ever. And stop crying, please, alone. Reach help. You're not alone. You're not crazy. Stop doubting yourself. Regain your confidence, your self-esteem. You deserve it. You were amazing when you were a little child. You were dreaming with that prince who would treat you like a queen. And what's happening now? Why did you choose that guy? It's okay. It's not about your partner, by the way. It's about the behavior that he displays. And you could save the relationship if he is willing to work on himself. And by the way, you need to work on yourself as well, because who is allowing him all that? Who is doubting of herself? Is it me? Is it him? Am I imagining things? And who is allowing, accepting those beliefs, those doubts that he is infusing you? When he blames you that everything he does is all what you do and he's not doing that, oh my God, stop that and reach help. It could be easier. It could be easier than what you think, because once you shift your energy, you're gonna influence him. But remember, you cannot control anybody outside of your internal world. The only thing that you have control of is of yourself and your inner world. You can influence your partner up to a point. Beyond that, he needs to be willing to recognize, take personal responsibility, take ownership, show truth. We cannot change the external reality unless we change our internal reality. So please take action, step up, become that strong, confident woman that you know that you are. Have a lovely day. Bye.